Hey everyone, I'm Elle, and today I'm going to be doing a first impression of my Rive Gauche small tote from Saint Laurent. Um, and I'll let you know like pros and cons, what I'm liking so far, what I kind of think might be like some issues in the future. Yeah. So initially I bought this because I wanted like a light colored tote. I have two other totes in my collection, and I thought that this would be a nice fit for what I was looking for. I really liked the colors that they've had in the past, but I like how this one has like a neutral colored writing, because I know that I've seen the one that's like a canvasy white color with black trim. I really like that one too, and when they came out with this color and this size, I went and decided that I wanted to get this one. So I like the neutral color of it. It goes it goes really well with a lot of my clothing. And I don't really have to think about it when I pull this one out, whether it's going to match my clothes or not. And and I also like how this one has the gold hardware here. And here's the inside. Like I said, this is the small size. And then here's the back of it, and the sides, and the bottom. So, and then it has one pocket on the inside. It's a Saint Laurent Paris pair. And then it has a pretty big side pocket. And I also like, I didn't even notice how you can like close it here, which is pretty cool. And then, you know, you don't have to close it all the way. You can still kind of stick your hand in if you want. Yeah, so I've been really gravitating towards this because, like I said, it matches a lot with the clothes I've been wearing lately. And it, like, I wear a lot of like whites and a lot of like when I wear like printed summer dresses, it looks really nice with that too. And it's super lightweight. Like, I love how lightweight it is, and I can pack this with a lot of stuff, but and it's not like heavy where that contributes to the weight of it, you know. And then I also like how the handles are leather, so I feel like if this gets kind of dirty, I could kind of clean it up if I wanted to. And then and I really like the size of it. Let me show you what I normally would pack in it. So I've been doing a lot of like weekend trips with my family, and the first thing that I wanted to make sure is that my laptop fits in it. This is my new laptop. So that fits in it. I think it's a 13-inch. And then what I usually do is I originally bought this for my book tote, my small book tote, and it also fits in here. So I'll usually do that. Oh, I already have my tiny water bottle here. So I have that there. And then I got this on Amazon. I know that some people like buy the Samorga ones, but I wanted something really quick and easy, so I got this on Amazon. And then I usually put, this is my Louis Vuitton, what is this? Toiletry 19. So I have like random things in there that I don't want floating around my purse, and I'll usually pack that. And then my agenda, and then I'll put in my wallet and keys, and then I'll bring my charger, and that fits in there pretty good. I mean, this is pretty heavy, but I think it's not too bad. And you have everything right there. And then let me show you what it looks like without the organizer. Some people don't like these organizers, so that, and then the water bottle, and then I'll usually bring like a sweater, and then a lot of the times I'll bring for my totes, I usually do like a tote, and then I'll pack a smaller bag in there. So that's usually what I like to do, and then it looks like that. For cons, I'm still a little worried about the light color of it, but I am going to try to Scotch guard it. And I can do a video about doing that, but I think that I'm gonna try that out and see how it goes. And then sometimes when you carry it like this, it'll sag on the bottom, which isn't too annoying, but that's why I kind of use the organizer that I have here. But yeah, I'm really liking it so far. I think what I would really love to make it like really perfect for me is if it had an extra like shoulder strap, because this drop I can fit my arm through it, but it's not like super comfortable, and my armpit is just like being stabbed by this. So so it's mostly like a handheld trick of the arm type thing. So I think to make it like perfect for me would be if it had an extra strap. Yep, but for now it's doing the job that I bought it for. What else might be cons? I guess the color of it might be a con, and then if it had another strap that would make it more versatile, that would make it, I guess that would be kind of a con. And then when I think about the stuff that I really love about it, with like the color and the material, that also worries me is like, see how this is like embroidered? I could just picture it getting like stuck somewhere, and it kind of like the threads getting loose. So that's kind of something that I'm watching for. But yeah, there's my first impression. I am this has been my go-to tote. I also have, I think I got my book tote, my Dior book tote in size small at the same time that I got this one, and I have been grabbing this one more than that one. But yeah, I will let you guys know how it goes, and then let me know if you have any questions that I can answer about it. Yeah, thanks guys. Bye.